MD Munjil Hossain here. Today I am going to solve a math Olympiad question, solving equations of three variables step by step. Let's jump on the practice board. Here we see the three equations. At first, subtract 2 from 1. Then we get A plus B minus B minus C is equal to ABC minus ABC, or B and B should be cancelled. A minus C is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to C. Again, subtract 3 from 2. Here 3 from 2, we get B plus C minus C minus A is equal to ABC minus ABC, or here you can write C and C cancel, then B minus A is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to B or B is equal to A. This is the same thing. Here we get A is equal to B, and here we get A equal to C. From these two identity, we can write A is equal to B is equal to C. Now consider the equation 1. A plus B is equal to ABC. And since A equal to B equal to C, we can replace B and C by A, and then we get A plus A is equal to A into A into A, or 2A is equal to A cube, or A cube minus 2A is equal to 0, or if you take common A, it takes the form A square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now either A is equal to 0 or A square minus 2 is equal to 0, or A square is equal to 2. Therefore, A is equal to plus minus square root of 2. So we get the three values of A. A is equal to 0, A is equal to plus root 2, and A is equal to minus root 2. Since A is equal to B equal to C, so we get the three set of values here. A equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0. This is one set of value. Or A equal to B is equal to C is equal to root 2, and A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to minus root 2. These are the three sets of values. I hope you understand the system of solutions.